Next is a great article from the News Tribune entitled The Marketing Job AI Can't Touch and Why the Pay is Up. So an article, it's a really fascinating article talking about marketing jobs and related to, and as its relation to AI. And, when we've heard it last year, this year, continue to, that AI is replacing people, companies are laying people off as a result of AI. I have my doubts on that personally. I think, that it's a little bit of an excuse. So, we've talked about this, that, these large companies sometimes make, large strategic mistakes when it comes to hiring. And so, and then, being too heavy in certain areas, and then look for opportunities and excuses to trim, and that's, I think, that, AI is the reason, and then their stock prices go up. So we've seen this. So, but this article at the News Tribune talks about how, there's certain jobs that AI is disrupting directly. One is marketing technology type jobs. So technology management, managing, email marketing systems, CRM, managing those type of platforms, that those type of positions are taking a hit. The trend is downward, looking at, and again, I recommend people go and check this out because it literally has a lot of really good data. And then, but certain areas where marketing is maybe the trend is down in digital marketing, but certain it's not down as much, meaning the entry level is definitely down. So down actually considerably, but the kind of the mid-level in senior level tends to be kind of more kind of status quo. So I thought this was a really great article. It'll be interesting to see. I mean, I definitely, and I talk about this often with marketing folks that I meet, and, even, strategic partners that I meet and speak to, that, our industry, the marketing industry, is going through a major transformation now. Where it's going to end up, none of us really know. All we can do is kind of make our best guess, quite frankly. But, I believe it's AI is going to, certain jobs are going to get hit hard. Like, we know this. But I think by and large, I think, like we talked about, I think companies are starting to realize you still need strategists to do this stuff. You still need people. You still need human beings to manage this stuff. AI helps you just move a lot faster now, and you can scale. And that's what we tell our clients is, hey, we can give you we'll use AI to help us do our work efficiently price, or charge you double or triple to use no AI. Let me guess, who wants to pay triple? No one, right? So, we see it as a great opportunity for marketers. So advice I always tell young people in marketing, entering into the field, become an AI expert. There's no ands, ifs about it. Like, you just have to specialize in it and how it affects your job. So anyway, so you guys want to chime in on this one?
Whenever a new technology comes on the scene, no matter what it is, whether back in the day it was the assembly line, whatever, jobs inevitably go away to
Yep.
some extent, but then new jobs get created or job titles
Yes,
change.
it's true.
And I think we're just in too early of a phase. It'll just be interesting to see how things
Yeah,
turn out. We're too early to know. Yes, okay, maybe some jobs are going down, but that doesn't mean other jobs aren't going to be created or haven't already.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, and at the same time, I feel like a lot of it's being used as an excuse at the moment, right? AI is being used as an excuse to let people go.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really think that all of these companies are like, oh, we're so into AI at the moment that, yeah, we are getting rid of our workforce. I think they just have too many people and they're using it as a reason to cut off a percentage of their workforce because
Yep.
they don't want to say that either they had too many people or their company's not doing as well as it once was, and all these things. I really don't think that when you get into whatever, say there's a big business that just cut off a bunch of people, I don't think when you go into it and you look at whatever they're doing, I don't think they're using AI to that extent at the
I
moment.
agree. I agree, especially because we know how slow large and enterprise companies are to make
Yeah.
change, and the bureaucracy internally, right? I mean, we've
Mm-hmm.
experienced it with large companies we work with, and you're right, John. I mean, there's no way that they're just going to say, okay, we're going to just start using AI for everything overnight. It's a process. I mean, I can only imagine, right? Of testing and ramping up and certifications, and then this bugs, this tapped out, right? Like this isn't working as it
Yeah.
should. So yeah, I agree. Really good insight on that.